All right, so let's identify the key pieces of information in this question. It says Liam has 3/7 of a piece of pie. Sandy has 3 times that. How much pie does, and this should say Sandy, guys. I've changed it 3 times, but it will not change on the slide, so we're just going to go with it. Does Sandy have? All right, so let's start to think about what process we can use to solve this. So identifying some keywords, we already identified one over here that says 3 times, right? That pretty straightforward tells us to use what process here? Hopefully you said multiplication. All right, so we have a fraction and we're multiplying by a whole number. So we're gonna need to change this whole number into a fraction. How do we do that? Did you say we put it over 1? Because that's true with all whole numbers, right? 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Therefore, this is the same thing. And we know with multiplication, this is one of our favorite operations with fractions because you can just multiply straight across. You can check your diagonals to cross simplify. In this case, we have 3 and 1, which don't simplify. 7 and 3, both prime, don't simplify. 3 times 3 gives us 9, and 7 times 1 gives us 7. And 9/7 is an improper fraction, so we want to convert this back to a mixed number. So we asked ourselves, how many times does 7 go into 9? 7 goes into 9 one time. How many are left over? 2. Keep the denominator as it is. So we're left with 1 and 2/7. That's how much pie that Sandy has.